Chitrangada, both of you, looking great, absolutely. Since both of you are Bollywood celebrity and a public figure as well, so whenever the kind of aura and the stardom is attached to your persona, is that people follow you like anything, whatever you say, whatever you speak, that becomes the news. So when it comes to endorsing a product, how cautious are you about the credibility of the product, and what's your criteria of endorsing any product or whatever?
Okay. I think it's very important. As you said, nowadays especially, actors have become role models and people do follow you. I still am of the belief, though, that everyone should make their own decisions. And when people say you're a youth icon, I say yes, but to an extent. I don't want people to blindly follow me. You must read the leaflet and make your own decisions always and take responsibility. Having said that, when it comes to the products that I endorse, I absolutely have to look into the credibility of the company, look at the product, use the product myself. So that's something that, you know, the both of us have done. So that when we tell you that it has these wonderful properties and it does enhance the quality of your hair, we can say it with 100% credibility.
Yeah, exactly the same thing, pretty much. But I just think that, you know, it's... if there's something that you believe in and it already has a certain amount of credibility, it's easier to endorse something like that. Instead of, you know, because I think somewhere or the other you can tell when you're selling a lie. But I can tell you one thing, that today, here, standing here, the kind of products that this company's come out with earlier, I think you definitely can't question, if that's what you're asking, the credibility of this, you know, company or this product today. So we completely endorse it because I think it's really good and I've used it myself.
Soha and Chitra, what is the USP of this Livon product?
For me, I would say the USP is the detangling element, because that's what the serum really does. That's why when you apply it, when your hair is at its weakest just after you wash it and it's a little wet and it has that tendency to get entangled, my hair always does. And when I comb it, it's a very difficult process for me because, as Chitrangada said, you actually count how much of your hair breaks. So if you apply this product then, it really helps to disentangle your hair and therefore protect it and save it.
What about you?
And yeah, no, it's pretty much the same thing. But it's just that for me, what worked when I used it was that it doesn't make your hair limp. Like वो soft हो जाता है, लेकिन sometimes what happens, the hair becomes very limp. आप उसको style नहीं कर सकते हैं. It doesn't hold its body. But this product is so light on the hair and it makes it soft that even after that you can make your, like, you can curl your hair, you can do things, and the hair doesn't fall flat. So for me, or for a stylist, I think that's a really important thing.
आज यहाँ पे आए क्योंकि लिवॉन मोरक्कन सिल्क सीरम आज लॉन्च हुआ है और चित्रांगदा जी और मुझे यहाँ पे बुलाया गया है फॉर द लॉन्च। तो हम बहुत ही खुश हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट अभी इंडिया में अवेलेबल है बिकॉज वी केयर वेरी मच अबाउट आवर हेयर। और जो सबसे ख़ास बात इस प्रोडक्ट में है कि ये इंग्रेडिएंट है आर्गन ऑयल, जिससे आपके बाल डिसएंटेंगल हो जाते हैं और फिर लेस ब्रेकेज होता है। सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट।
आपकी बात करें तो किस तरह से केयर करते हो अपने बाल की, क्या कुछ करते हो आप, मतलब क्या कुछ करते हो केयर करने के लिए बाल?
आई थिंक जब आप किसी कैरेक्टर को डिस्कस करते हैं कि आपको या तो यंग प्ले करना है या ओल्ड प्ले करना है, जो हेयर स्टाइल होता है इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दैट कैरेक्टर। सो डेफिनेटली उसके अंदर एक थॉट डेफिनेटली जाता है। तो आई कैन टेल, इनफैक्ट इनकार एक ऐसी फिल्म थी जिसके अंदर आई वाज प्लेइंग लाइक अ वेरी यंग गर्ल जो एक काम करने के लिए आई है, एक अप्रेंटिस है। सो तब जो बाल थे वो अलग थे, यू नो, द कर्ल, द हेयर, द लेंथ, एवरीथिंग वाज डिफरेंट। And then when she becomes a very successful corporate person, then उसका बाल छोटे हो जाते हैं, everything becomes very clean, neat, structured. So hair is very important part of the character, and उसके ऊपर like हम काफ़ी thought जाता है definitely जब आप play करते हैं या discuss करते हैं।
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को। डू शेयर योर